it's great that we understand this customer, our ideal customer, we're able to understand, but where is this customer located? And these customers are located on something as we that we call as digital markets. What do I mean when I say digital markets? Essentially, digital markets are of three kinds. Um, your customer is almost certainly already on social media, is almost certainly searching for stuff online, so on search engines, especially Google, and almost certainly is on email. So there is no question about the fact that your customer is either doing one of these things, or in all probability doing all three of these things. So for us to understand that if the customer is already on social media, what can we do in order to reach out to them, is I think what we'll try and cover today as we go along. So I'll go right into it. When we look at social media marketing, essentially there are certain tools that we have, which are available to our disposal. The primary and the most important social media marketing tool that we have available to us, and please remember, this is only to identify and know where the customer is. We are not talking about content today. We are not talking about organic content and all of those things today. We are only talking about how to know whether your particular set of customer is available somewhere on the social media spectrum, on any of the social networks, which is Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and so on. So there is a tool which is available with every one of the social networks, which is what is called as the Ads Manager. So as an example, if you look at the LinkedIn Campaign Manager, this is a tool which is available freely for everybody. All of you can go through your company page, especially if you're a B2B company. LinkedIn becomes a very important part of your overall marketing strategy. You can actually target your customers based on incredibly important and relevant filters. What kind of filters are these? Such as company. What is the size of the company that is your ideal customer? What is the growth rate of this company that you want to target? Now, in that company, what are the kind of people that you want to target? Do you want to target a particular seniority? It can be a C-suite, it can be a VP level, it can be a mid-management, it can be junior management. You can also target by the job function or the vertical of the organization that that person resides in. So you can target for HR, for marketing, for technology, for procurement, for administration, and so on and so forth. You can also target based on the years of experience that that person might have, their age and gender, whether they have an undergraduate or a postgraduate degree, and so on and so forth. Now, why this becomes incredibly important, you will see in the case of the example that we will be taking with Xeron, is that imagine you're a B2B services company and you are selling to the US, you're selling digital transformation products or services, and you want to go after, let's say, VP and above, people in the technology function of a company, of companies which are above 100 people in size. Now, the good news is that you can do that today on LinkedIn. And I believe that that is incredible value add, which LinkedIn does, is that you're able to target and reach out to the consumer or the customer where they are located.